Two people, same salary, completely different futures. Two people earn the same salary. They work at the same company. They start their careers at the same age. But 30 years later, their financial futures look completely different. So what changed? Most people believe building wealth is simple. Work hard, save money, invest when you can, and eventually everything will work out. But real life rarely follows that plan. Let's meet David and Sarah. Both are 25 years old, both earn about $65,000 a year, and both want the same thing: financial security. At first, their lives look very similar. They both rent apartments, they both pay their bills, they both try to save money every month. But when it comes to financial planning, they make very different decisions. David decides to handle everything himself. He opens a savings account, later he starts investing through a brokerage account, but he never really thinks about protection. No insurance, no long-term plan, just saving and hoping things work out. Sarah takes a different path. She works with a financial professional. She sets up three things early: retirement savings, long-term investing, and proper financial protection. Part of her plan includes a permanent life insurance policy that grows tax-advantaged over time. At first, the difference seems small, but over the years, that structure creates stability. While David faces market ups and downs alone, Sarah has protection, tax advantages, and a long-term strategy. Years later, David realizes something. Even though he worked hard and saved money, his financial plan had gaps. One market crash set him back. Unexpected expenses slowed his progress. Meanwhile, Sarah's strategy kept moving forward, not because she earned more, but because she had a structured plan. The difference between financial stress and financial security often isn't income, it's planning. Saving is important. Investing is important, but protection and strategy matter just as much, because building wealth isn't just about growing money, it's about protecting it too.